By bringing all your fleet data together, FleetCheck Essential has been designed to make it really simple to plan, carry out and record all forms of essential vehicle and driver safety. Our traffic light alert system clearly shows any items that require your attention, including upcoming MOT and tax renewals, servicing requirements, missing vehicle checks, and expired driver license check mandates. You can also set up email alerts, delivering regular reminders direct to your inbox. You can drill down to look at just vehicles, to see key details including whether safety checks have been completed. Drivers use the FleetCheck Driver app on their phones, which is included free with FleetCheck Essential, to complete defect reports, taking any photos if necessary, and the results are automatically uploaded into FleetCheck. Users can customize existing check sheet templates or create bespoke check sheets and assign them to different vehicles. Vehicle defects can be easily managed to ensure vehicles are off the road for as short a time as possible. Entering the vehicle's mileage on each check sheet gives you an instant record to help you with the planning of service and maintenance, calculate average MPG and see how long the vehicle is off the road for. You can integrate your card data for greater insight. You can even drill down into which vehicles your drivers have been driving, using the vehicle to help allocate fines and unreported defects. You can ask drivers to complete a daily Fit to Drive declaration and quickly check driving license details, including vehicle eligibility, as well as monitoring driving history such as incidents, fines, and collisions. There is a special section to monitor your grey fleet where staff are using their own cars for work. You can select from 100 pre-built reports and either run them when needed or schedule them to be emailed direct to your inbox. There are many more features in FleetCheck Essential. It gives you complete control of all your fleet tasks with minimal intervention and zero paperwork, making it really simple to check everything is in order. You'll save time, money, and enjoy peace of mind that you're meeting your compliance requirements. Why not book a one-to-one demo now with one of our friendly fleet specialists to see how much time it could save you? FleetCheck, fleet management software you can trust.